Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between using XTB or Trade Republic. And before starting this comparison video, I want to tell you one thing. And that is, I won't tell you which platform is better. I will tell you which platform will fit you better. And with that, I mean, I will tell you the differences in 5 different topics on both platforms. And hopefully after telling those differences, you know exactly which platform will fit with your trading goal, your trading vision. And that is my goal in today's video. So let's start right here with XTB. And the main focus on XTB is that XTB is a CFD and stock investing platform. If you look to Trade Republic is a mobile-first investing and a long-term wealth building platform. XTB is the best for active traders and CFD users, and Trade Republic is the best for beginners and long-term ETF investors. If you look to the trading tools, XTB has advanced charting, CFDs and stocks and ETFs trading tools, where Trade Republic has stocks, ETFs, saving plans and fractional investing. If you look to the interface on XTB is trader focused and streamlined, and the interface on Trade Republic is very simple, mobile first and beginner friendly. If you look to the fees and trading cost, XTB has stock ETF trades often zero commission within limits, and the CFDs use spreads and overnight fees, so keep that in mind. If you look to Trade Republic, they have low cost investing with flat fees per trade and very low cost ETF saving plans. So that is also very nice. If you ask me, many investors use XTB for active trading, CFDs, commission-free stock ETF investing, of course within limits. And many investors use Trade Republic for long-term ETF investing, automated saving plans and simple mobile investing. So they're a little bit more focused on the mobile. So hopefully after seeing this video, you know exactly right now which platform will fit you the best. Then for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.